Hello everyone, another video in the shop with a bunch of stuff. In this box I have one of the small 4-stroke engine, and this is the stuff I am working on right now, like a little flywheel for the Cox engine. And I also received a package from Cox International with a couple of little parts for airplanes. And this is just something I wanted to show you. This is a Cox 409, and I made a tiny tune pipe for it that is actually like a valve to control the engine. So this way you can never see the plane, and it works good. But this is not what I wanted to show you. It's what's in the box. So these are longer ones that I've made with a bolt on the top to fixed onto something. So this way it does not vibrating too much, or And let's open this. So I just received this today, and we're gonna find out together whether it's good or not, and what it looks like. And also I wanted to compare, have something to put in perspective to see which size is this engine. It appears to be fairly small. So inside we have instruction, which I think is translation is really bad. Not sure if you can see, read, or whatever. This is the engine. Comes with the little starter shaft to use with the drill. Also, pull start rope is just put it on the flywheel, and very simple. This is good packing. The engine looks pretty. So here we have a super tiny little engine. Just compared to the size of a Cox engine, the tiny piston in there is super small. So I'm not gonna go into too much detail right now. I'm just gonna perform just a little test, quick test. Just want to see how loose is the bearing in there, because I have seen like a lot of people testing it, and yeah, I already feel like something. You might be able to hear it. So let's have a look. guys can see the dial over there. Give me a second. Okay, we're good. That's something. Let's try it this way. It's a little bit tricky. My tools are huge compared to the engine. Not too sure. Okay, everything is moving right now. This is not good. Let's just pretend that this is a solid. Just try something. Okay, I'm trying to not moving the base too much and just the part itself. It has quite a loose there. But we're gonna try it anyway. So this is the fuel tank, and you have a water reservoir. We call it a water tank. Sorry. By the way, I am a French Canadian, so sometimes it's hard to translate everything. Little tiny adjusting carburetor. It's super tiny. Okay. Now, something I have found with this engine is to use gasket, and I'm going to use these corks gasket to seal the valve cover, and also use like some small copper tubing to seal the rod over here, and probably add like a little oiler or something, maybe on top or on the side with the tube to split to spill oil in there. And maybe this compartment over here, it has a brass gear with the camshaft, and I think maybe I can seal the outside of this and open the crankcase to get the oil lubrication for the camshaft and all the gear inside over here, or make it a separate compartment with different oil in there, just to keep the engine running. You know, I want to make this engine into a boat, a RC boat. So nothing crazy, not to go fast. It's just for fun and entertainment at the same time. So I'm not gonna go too much into details. I'm gonna start tearing this little guy apart and see what's inside. Too big. So I might be going to use something else. Let's figure out pliers. Something. It's so tiny. Okay, I want to scratch this beautiful little cover. this screw. I don't want to lose it, because if it fires around in here, I might never find it again. Oh, let's have a look there. So what I was thinking is add a cork gasket all around this, so once it's on the head, it's sealed. So adding a little bit of oil, which is gonna drip down on the little push rods. Oh, there's quite a slug. Let's see. There's one, two, up. Then take exhaust. Power struggle. This should be about maybe I can adjust this before I run. I'll just try it. I don't feel much compression in there. Oh, I'm gonna try something. Well, this is that point. Got that center, and I wonder what happened if I just blowing in the exhaust. See if I can make the valve open just by blowing air in there. Not sure if this. This is probably not sealed. Okay, this part is not welded. Yeah, look like the engine might have run a little bit. Okay, I might try the carburetor side first. Let's see. Wow, I think I have made the engine turn a little bit. Yeah, it doesn't seal really well. Let's try the other side. This is open. Okay. Oh, this is not this. You saw that? You saw that? It moved just by blowing air through the valve. This is kind of fun. I was not expecting that to be fair. I was expecting much better. Let's try with the exhaust now. No, the exhaust valve is sealed. So let's try it again. How to loose? The valve is not loose. Let's try it again. Yeah, it moves. I can rotate the entire engine just by blowing air in there. I will have to take this little guy apart and see what is going on in there. Seal the valve, but first of all, we want to try this whatsoever. Let's just pretend I'm a noob, not knowing what I'm doing, and just receive this. Yeah, I just want to try it, you know. Looks like fun, so we'll be putting gas and everything in there and start this up. Sure. No, okay. Well, this is a 10 milliliter of oil, so it should be like 1.5 of this. Looks like a lot for this little tiny engine. Oh. I made a mess. Looks like we're having a situation here. This 30 weight oil is super thick. It don't want to flow through the little needle. This must be boring for you guys. I'm so hard. Let me explain. Not sure if you see, like, right behind the engine, the little bottle that says octane. This is made by Sinto Racing. I'm not sponsored by them, but I use this stuff like for past 20 years, and it has always been super reliable and stuff. It does the job. It does what it says on the can, and I also use the oil that is Sinto Racing Performa, what it's called, and it's also has Sinto Racing octane 130 octane rates in the oil. So, and the little engine, I have mixed fuel, not fuel but gasoline. That is for, well, I'm going to show you. It's this Husqvarna fuel, 95 octane. Yeah, it's going to take forever. Oh, it's looking full. I'm not sure. Huge mess. Oh, crap. Oh, I made a mess. Oh, crap. There. Okay, 15 milliliter is way too much. So, I might have read the comments or okay. Now, I have to fill the gas. just want to hear it pop or make a sound, anything, signs of life, you know. And first of all, on the first run, I don't think it's really good to like overcool the engine, because it might seize the piston, because the aluminum piston will expand faster than the sleeve itself, which is cooled with water. And sometimes it takes quite a while to heat the cylinder walls and to expand the sleeve to the its operating temperature, would say. And this can cause like a lot of friction, heat, and damage, you know. So, okay, I will have to make something that will fill this thing up. Let's just use the syringe. So one trick, the syringe rubber inside, this is not good with the gasoline. Not too much with the nitro fuel. So, but if you just leave a little space like this, air, so it won't get in direct contact with the rubber, so that helps. Oh crap. I'm making so much mess. That should be enough. I don't know. Now, moment of truth. Will this little engine start? Fix my overfilling. Might just. Oh. Make sure oil is everywhere in there. Ooh. This is so tiny. This is amazing. And it sure does run on nitro. I'm pretty sure of that, because the spark plug, which is super tiny, it's the exact same size threads of the normal standard gold, which is I think 1/4 and 32 or something. Put some battery in there, because it needs some battery to run. The engine's upside down, the oil dripping in my hands. Okay. far. Okay, let's try. I feel a little bit compression. Seems fine in there. It might be the intake valve, the loose intake valve. It might not help. And I don't want to use the drill to start this thing. It's so tiny. I think I see a little bit puff of smoke. Nothing. Wonder if I spin this thing in the right direction. Choke this thing a little bit. Nothing again. Yeah. Oh. I think we have a little something. Let's try the switch on the other side, just in case. Sure, there is plenty of fuel in there. So, might be this part, I don't know. So far, this is first test, first try, and it's not working. It does not look good. But I don't really care. maybe ignition timing, valve, everything maybe is just way off, and this doesn't help. Maybe it'll work next time.